We have started with a simple circle. This will be the base of the head. Don't press too hard here. Keep your lines light and loose so you can adjust them later. Use the horizontal lines to draw the eyebrows and eyes. If you need, add a vertical line in between the eyebrows to help you align the nose and mouth. Next, let's shape the jaw. Keep the jaw slightly defined but still feminine. Take your time here. The face shape sets the entire mood of the character. Now, let us draw the outline of the head, where we will draw the hair later. Draw to slightly curved lines from the jaw, then extend outward for the shoulders. Observe my drawing. Keep the width of the shoulder balanced. Now, outline the right arm. Start from the shoulder and draw the upper arm down toward the elbow, then continue toward the wrist, but stop before the palm. Next, outline the upper torso. Draw the side of the chest down toward the waist. Now repeat the same process for the left arm. Start from the shoulder and work your way down to the wrist. Make sure both arms feel balanced. Now draw the waist and midsection, then extend the outline downward toward the hips. From the hips, draw the outer thigh line downward. Then draw the inner leg line, slightly closer to the center. Inner thigh end should align to the wrist of the hand. Look closely. Follow how I draw the dominant leg, and then align the next leg behind it. Now draw the right hand. Observe my flow. Draw smoothly till the elbow, and then a slight curve. Now similarly, let's draw the left hand. From the elbow, the line should come inwards, close to the other outline of the hand. Keep the finger slightly curved, not stiff. Take your time here. Now we draw the right hand gripping the sword. Start with the palm shape, wrapped around the handle. Let's draw Maki's cursed sword. Draw the straight line from the grip of the hand. Observe the curve for the tip of the sword. Start with the outer shape of the hair first. Don't jump into details. And that completes the full outline of Maki Zenin. We now have a clean, strong base ready for detailing and shading in the next step. If you enjoyed this outline tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more anime drawing videos. Let me know which character you'd like next. See you in the next one.